Hi, it's Jason from Webbers here. Today I'm at my very latest listing, which is number 4 Lower Winsford Court. This is an exclusive development of only 4 properties, 2 barn conversions connected together, offering 4/5 bedrooms, a double garage and a half-acre plot. Come on, let's have a look inside. And it's only when you get outside this property you really get to appreciate the plot that is on offer here, with lawned areas, herbaceous borders, and you've got a lovely patio area as well, all secluded in mature grounds. So if you feel that this property is of interest, then do give Webbers a call today on 01237 472 344. Thank you.